Welcome to week 1 of Art with Mr. Bentley. Today's lesson will be called A Bug's Life. Whoa! Good morning, artists. Today we're going to focus on creating bug art. Today's feature artist is Romero Brito. If we're taking a look at Romero Brito's artwork, let's take a look at his use of lines, colors, and patterns. There he is. Can we all say hi to Romero? Hello, Romero. How's it going? Romero Brito is what we would call a pop artist. He likes color, shape, and line. Here's a list of materials that you may use for this project. Feel free to change any of the materials on the list above. If you have certain materials, feel free to add those as your choice. If you don't have a black marker or crayon to outline, no worries at all. Well, what is a bug? A bug is a small insect. Whoa! When we think about bugs or insects, let's think about the following: head, thorax, abdomen, antenna, sometimes a pair of wings, 3 pairs of legs, usually 6 in all. Say it with me. Head, thorax, and abdomen. Now it's time to turn and talk with a family member. What shapes will you use for your bug or insect? Think about the head, thorax, and abdomen. Will you use a square, circle, triangle, maybe all 3? But Mr. Bentley, what if I wanted to create a worm or a spider? Boys and girls, absolutely. Let's just remember the following. Worms are what we consider annelids. They have 0 legs. Spiders are what we consider arachnids. They have 8 legs. Worms and spiders are not insects. The featured story will be by Eric Carle, The Grouchy Ladybug. The link will be on the slide below. Boys and girls, I hope that you enjoyed that story. Well, let's consider the following. Well, what does it mean to be grouchy? What does it mean to feel grouchy? So, boys and girls, let's get started. First, write your name on your paper. Pencil first. Next, flip your paper over to the blank side. When you're done, let's think about if we want to hold our paper vertical or horizontal. Remember, vertical is up and down, horizontal is side to side. Take a look at these bugs for some great ideas. Choose one or more to draw. Bug checklist. So, if you created a bug, boys and girls, let's take a look at the checklist. Do I have a head? Do I have a thorax? Do I have an abdomen? If you can create a spider, think about this. Do I have a head? Do I have an abdomen? Do I have 8 legs? Remember, boys and girls, if we're creating an arachnid, arachnids have 8 legs. Our worm checklist. Do I have a head? Did I use wavy lines? Do I have horizontal lines on my worm? What details can I add on my bug? Maybe shapes, wavy lines, zigzag lines, or patterns. Don't forget the horizon line, boys and girls, and background. Remember, the horizon line is where the sky and the ground meets. Say it with me, horizon line. The sky comes down to meet the ground, horizon line. And remember, boys and girls, the background is a space all around. Take a look at the picture below. See if you can add some more details. Think about the background, the color, and make sure that we're covering those peekaboo spots. Well, boys and girls, I think that we did an awesome job today creating our insects, arachnids, or annelids. Awesome job. Please feel free to share your work with me at tbentley@oslingufsd.org. And for the link to Eric Carl's Grouchy Ladybug book, there it is below. Thank you. Have a great day.